Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of How to Login. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to reset your password for Kotak Mahindra Bank account if you've forgotten your password details while logging into your account. Keep watching the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you've not yet. Also, press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another update from us. Open up your web browser first and go to www.kotak.com and press enter. In the main homepage of Kotak Mahindra Bank, which looks like this, you'll be able to see a login button at the upper right hand corner. Simply give it a click. And then, in the login area, go ahead and type in your CRN, your username, or your card number. You can type in any one information. Now, click on the next button. And when it asks for your password, if you happen to remember the password during the process, type it in the text box. But if you don't remember your password at all, you can click on this generate password link. Now, go ahead and enter your mobile number in the text box. Make sure to type in the correct mobile number that you registered while opening up your bank account. Now click on the next button. And soon after you do that, you'll be instructed on what you can do in order to reset to a new password. And on the next page, simply follow the on-screen prompts and you'll be able to reset to a new password that will be much more easier for you to remember next time you log into your account for your Kotak Mahindra Bank account. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Comment down in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll be back soon with more tutorial videos like this. Thank you for watching.